Old Crawhan Man is one of hundreds of Iron Age mummies found scattered in the bogs of northern Europe. Graubowl Man, Eda Girl, Virding Men. The bog bodies are accidental mummies, preserved in layers of peat formed by the bog. Christian Fischer, director of the Silkeborg Museum in Denmark, thinks that understanding the bog is crucial to figuring out what happened to the mummies.
Here we have a really good example of how the bog was built, or how the bog was before. Most part of it was cut away during this period of peat cutting here. We put on 2 to 4 millimeters every year, and you go following it down, you can see these different kind of layers representing wet periods, warm period of our climate. And when you reach the bottom of the bog, you are perhaps 2,000 or 3,000 years behind now. Here we have the sphagnum moss, and while it lives, it gives a little bit of acids which come down into the bog water, and altogether makes the bog water acid containing, and in a complicated way it makes the bog water antiseptic, so we can preserve. So this sphagnum is really the secret behind the bog bodies.
The bodies became mummies through a complicated process. Many of them were placed in shallow graves. Cold water seeped in rapidly, and people probably covered the corpse further with peat. Once immersed, the body was preserved by bacteria-killing acid, courtesy of the sphagnum moss in the water. Layers of plants sealed the body into an oxygen-free world. The result: nature has preserved many of these bodies better than any Egyptian mummy.